I'm a retired school teacher. I used to have to leave the building to go home because I was so sick. The headaches, I used to say, just somebody hit me, knock me out, and wake me up when it's all over. Because 6, 7, 8 hours. And nobody would believe it was going on until they happened to be with me when it happened.
Yeah.
I'd have to leave people's houses. And once or twice I've driven here from school. But I will tell you, I haven't had a headache in that many years. It's given me the ability to travel, go to Alaska, go to Italy, take cruises. I would never, ever think of doing it.
I had debilitating jaw pain accompanied with dizziness. I legitimately couldn't even get out of bed. It was so bad to the point where I felt like my life, it didn't feel enjoyable. I feel so much better now. I mean, I can do things that I never did a year ago that I have been wanting to do, and now I feel like I'm going to Italy and Switzerland in June, and I feel like I can do any excursion that I want to do.
I'm an avid sewer, so sitting at my sewing machine for any length at a time, I have to stop and shake out my hands because they were numb and tingly, which was incredibly frustrating. Incredibly positive reinforcement all these wonderful doctors and the staff had given me through this program. I really am in the best health that I've been in 20 years. And I can do the things that I want to do, and I can do them with my kids and my grandkids.
I was very discouraged, thinking that I'd be stuck in the wheelchair, because I'd been in the wheelchair since August, and that was November. I am so thankful to be able to walk across a room, to be able to concentrate on things, to be able to think of hope for the future instead of just thinking I'm stuck in a wheelchair. And
then I had some minor accidents playing around with my kids, and then I was also getting this tremendous pain shooting down my arm. For 2 years, I kind of ignored the fact that I was getting, I thought it was just like a pinched nerve. You know, waking up in the morning, I'm like, it's another pinched nerve.
Well, when I was having an attack, I was totally incapacitated. I couldn't stand, I couldn't move, I was vomiting. I had complete vertigo where I couldn't look around. I had nystagmus where my eyes were going back and forth. So that would take me out of commission for at least a day. To come in here and to see what you have to offer, because it's vastly improved my quality of life.
Beautiful.
Do anything, couldn't go out, couldn't go to a restaurant. I struggled.
Yeah.
I really struggled. I really feel that so much better, not on medications, not going towards procedures. People are having things done to your ears. I will never not come for these adjustments because it's just changed my life so much.
In bed during my active migraine, I started having nausea and vomiting, which I had never had before, and I could not do anything. It's just unbelievable. Like every day I wake up, I'm really not afraid of having a migraine, and that was how I used to start every single day. So it's just unbelievable.
I feel more aligned than ever, physically, mentally, emotionally, and spiritually. Building and maintaining a healthy lifestyle involves commitment, consistency, and most importantly, belief in yourself. UCC has been instrumental in helping me achieve the best quality of life.